how to add a translation bot on your Discord server. If you have friends that are on your Discord that speaks another language and you are currently using Google Translate to chat with them, you can directly add a translation bot to your server so that you don't have to use Google Translate every time. So the Discord bot will automatically translate all the text messages on your server. So let's see how you can set it up. Alright, so first you need to go to interactionbot.com on your browser and simply click on Add to Discord. From here it will open up your another tab, and you have to select a server from here. Once you select your server, you can just continue, and from here you need to authorize. You need to complete a quick CAPTCHA proving that you're a human, and once you have done that, if you go to your Discord, as you can see, the bot has now already been added to your servers. Right here, the interaction bot has already been added. Now you need to configure this bot. So to do that, you need to type /config. So in order to connect, so you just need to type in /translate, and from here you can choose your channel. So you can choose your general text channel from here and simply tap enter. And as you can see, the bot now has been configured, and in your general chat, if someone sends you another message, it will be translated. So that's how you add a translation bot on Discord. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.